In today's Dr. C's video, we're talking about another tip that can help reduce your anxiety, and it is guided imagery. So what is guided imagery? Well, essentially what it is that I'm going to help guide you to a very relaxing scenery. Using your five senses, you're going to go hopefully somewhere else that's a very peaceful and relaxing place. What is this good for? Well, this is really good for when you have to endure a stressful situation or you have chronic stress over time. Say that you've been diagnosed with a not favorable medical condition. Say that you have financial problems. Say that you're not doing so very well in school or you're having a tough time with your boyfriend. So doing something like this is really great for you to use over time to help you kind of relax and turn off that stress state or anxious state and help you get into a more relaxed place. So what I'm going to put up right now is I'm going to put a picture of a very beautiful beach. A beach to me is my happy or relaxed place. So you can either look at this while you listen to, my words as I'm reading the script, or you can sit back, lay down, and take in what I'm reading. But what I ultimately want you to get from this is just help you find your happy place so that when next time you're feeling stressed at home or at work, you can kind of take a few minutes to help get to this much more relaxed place for you. So first I want us to focus on our breathing. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. Take another deep breath in, slowly let it out. Make sure you're comfortable. Relax your body. Just focus on making yourself calm and quiet. Let go of any tension that you may have in your body, whether it's in your shoulders or your neck. Just get comfortable and focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. Slowly let it in, slowly let it out. Now that you're quiet and relaxed, I want you to think of a beautiful, peaceful, and safe place. It can be anywhere you want. It can be absolutely anywhere at all. Slowly let it form. This place is filled with healing and quiet. It's for you and for you alone to go to whenever you like. What are you seeing? Are you at the beach? Are you at the forest? Are you in your bedroom? Slowly think of everything that you're seeing. Describe everything that's around you. What are you hearing? If you're at the beach, do you hear the waves crashing? Do you hear any seagulls or pelicans in the background? What do you smell? If you're in your bedroom, do you smell your mom cooking something? If you're in the forest, what could you possibly smell? Be patient. Slowly take it all in. What do you feel? If you're in your bedroom, are you sitting on your bed? Is it comfortable? What do you feel? If you're at the beach, do you feel the sand in between your toes? What time of day is it? Is it the morning? Has the sun just come up? Or is it the nighttime and you're outside with all the stars around you? What's the weather like? Is it raining outside? Is it a beautiful sunny day and you feel the sun touching upon your skin? Just take a moment to sit here in your special place and take in all of its beauty, its healing, its peace, its safety. It's okay if anything changes in this space. It's yours to change. It's yours to enjoy. It's yours and yours alone. You can come here anytime you wish. When you're ready, you can slowly begin to return to the room, taking your time, thinking of your breathing again, hearing the sounds in the room. Slowly begin opening your eyes, your body relaxed and so comfortable as you are refreshed from your visit to your special place.